Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you read by the title, we're going to be talking about new makeup. Now, not necessarily what's like new now, but more so what's new that I have not tried yet. So I have a couple of items here that I'm going to try on my face today, and we're going to just give an all over review about each product, hopefully. Don't quote me, y'all, I'm a little tired. But anyways, if you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Y'all, we are almost at 1K. We are at 890 subscribers. Now, y'all, thank you for everyone who believed in me, who supported me, who joined my little community here on YouTube. But guess what? My birthday is less than a month away. November 2nd, Scorpio baby, of course. But I would love it for a birthday gift to myself if I reach 1K subscribers on YouTube. So if you haven't already, like I said, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, leave a comment, support your girl, and let this be the best birthday gift ever, y'all. Now, y'all, I actually put up a poll to see if y'all wanted me to review the new One Size foundation, y'all. However, I realized that I went to Sephora. I have so much freaking makeup. Why won't I just try the new makeup that I got from there, also from packages, and see how they are? And also, y'all, my birthday is literally less than a month away. I gotta get like clothes, hair, the whole 9 yards. So I decided I want to save my little $40-some for my birthday and just try stuff that I have that I already spent money on. So I brought y'all in a little bit closer. However, I do want to tell y'all that there are some things that I already have that aren't new, because I didn't get it, and yeah, I didn't feel like going to look for anything. With that being said, we're gonna go in with primer. We're gonna use the Photo Finish by Smashbox. This is their Resurface Smooth and Renew primer. Now, I used this about once or twice, y'all. I did not use it a lot. I don't know why, but I'm gonna see how it is. I probably just put way too much on, actually. Okay, no, I didn't, but I wonder if this is supposed to be like a dupe for their Photo Finish primer or whatever, but it went on the face smoothly. Now, it's supposed to have glycolic acid in it. It's supposed to help renew the skin after a couple uses. I don't know, but do y'all notice a difference in my face right now? If y'all do, let me know. We're gonna get our product time to dry down, y'all, so I'm gonna go in and do my brows. I'm just gonna take my normal, y'all, Benefit Precisely brow pencil, but this time I'm not gonna put any gel on my brows. I'm just gonna like fill them in because I don't want to do nothing too crazy, and I've been kind of liking just the filled in look lately, so we're just gonna fill them in. We do have a concealer, y'all. This is from Milk. This is their Future Fluid All Over Cream Concealer. I got this and never used it. This is what it looks like. The packaging is A1, especially for Milk Cosmetics, and this one is in the shade 24N. Okay, so it's not a bad shade. We're gonna go with the first thing I got from Sephora, y'all, and it is Natasha Denona's eyeshadow palette. Now, y'all, I was so happy to see this. Oh my gosh, she wasn't there, let me say that, but oh my god, her booth was so pretty. They was giving away stuff. I actually won some other stuff, but we're gonna try her palette today since this is one of the other palettes that I've gotten, and this is what it looks like, y'all. This is her mini nude palette. First of all, it is so stinking pretty, like so only thing I hate is I don't have a good transition shade, but we're still gonna make her work, obviously. We're just gonna take the dark shade, which is Bronzage, that's what it's called, and put it in the lid, y'all. That's kind of a pretty color. Thinking about taking this little glittery gold shade right here. This one is in the shade Soil, I think. Soil, something like that. Oh, that shade is so pretty. Eyes are done. I could have did a halo eye. I'll probably do that for TikTok. And next we're gonna go in and we're gonna do our pore filling primer. So I'm gonna go in with the Professional primer right here. This is their new one. I've used it about once or twice, y'all, not too much. So I'm just gonna include it in this video because it actually just came out. So it is very liquidy, unlike the old one. The old one has more like a thicker consistency. This one is liquidy, which is what I love, low-key, but it smears so easily. So we're gonna go in with foundation. So I have a lot of foundations that I've only used one time, but I do have one I just got in that I have not used yet. Well, when this video come out, y'all might see it on my Instagram or TikTok, but before this video come out, I have not used it as of right now. And y'all, when I tell y'all I got this in email, oh my gosh, so excited. But yeah, it is from Giorgio Armani. I think that's how you say it. Yeah, Giorgio Armani. I never say their name right. I'm not bougie, so I don't know how to say bougie names. But yeah, they sent me their foundation and their concealers, y'all. 2 and 3 in 1 deal, honestly. But we're gonna try their foundation today. I thought about trying the Fenty Beauty one, y'all, but that's not my shade, and I ain't got time for the comments. So I don't know what I'm doing. We're gonna go in with something that I think is my shade. So this is the bottle, Luminous Silk. Okay, the bottle is cute, very, very cute, very cutesy, and this is in the shade 13.5. So this is the bottle. I do not know how much this costs, but I'm pretty sure it is freaking expensive for it to be Giorgio Armani. Yeah, now I did wish they sent me their blushes, y'all, because I did see those and I heard some good things about them. But it comes with a pump, so we're gonna put some on the back of the hand. Okay, you get a good amount for one okay, it is very liquidy. Okay, but you get a good amount for one. The coverage, okay. One thing, is spreads so easily. Going back in with some more, put it up here. I'm pumped. Roughly did half of my face. So this is my face without, and this is my face with the one pump. Now, y'all know I'm 15,000 different skin tones, so it's a little bit darker. However, I feel like once I do everything, it's gonna blend out beautifully. It looks good. It is a neutral, so I'm happy that it has a neutral undertone. It's not pulling up anything crazy, because y'all know I done had some experiences. So this is what we are looking like, y'all. I use about 2.5 pumps or so, so almost 3, which is still a good amount. And the skin does look good. It does have like some sheen to it, of course, so definitely luminous. So I have their darker concealer right here in 11.75, and then I also have a lighter concealer. This is what it looks like, y'all, and this is in 10. So definitely got a range. Now I already used the Milk concealer up there, so I'm probably gonna go in with this darker shade, which is 11.75, and probably put the Milk in the center to see how it blends out. Wait, this is the lighter shade. Oops, no, this is right. Yeah, this is right. I don't know why I look crazy, but this is right. We're gonna add a little razzle dazzle. We're gonna go in with the Milk concealer and put it probably like right here. Okay, it's like a tad bit lighter, y'all, so it's not too much off. I just wanted to see what it actually looked like compared to my foundation and stuff. So that is not a bad coverage or color. It actually might be the same color as the 10 that I have. Also, y'all, so I think I'm gonna take the Giorgio Armani and put some right there, just to see how this looks on like the bottom of my face. So we're actually gonna let this sit for a moment, y'all, but I do have a concealer from Milk from their same collection, y'all. I think this is the regular size. I don't know if this is the mini or what, but this is what it looks like. This is the Milk Swipe and Sculpt concealer. Yeah, Swipe and Sculpt concealer, contour, whatever, and this is in the shade Sizzle. Now this shade is dark. No way. Guess I'm just gonna use this. I don't know, y'all, but it broke off, and I'm gonna get my money's worth. Did I buy this? I don't know, but we gonna see. Okay, definitely think that it might be dried out actually, because it's not going on great. Like, that looks terrifying on camera. It got all over my hands, y'all, but that sucks. As far as pigmentation, definitely there. It's just not blending how I need it to. I tie my hair so it can stay out of my face, so we finna get back. So it's the best I can do. We gonna hope it turn out good. Like the contour is actually a nice shade, nice color. I love it. I thought it was too dark, but it's actually good. Like it's cute. So let's go in and blend this out. We're gonna do forehead first. Okay, so this blends like a dream. Oh my gosh. Might have went a little bit too high, but I'll fix it later. But yeah, it looks good. But let's go in and do this. Look up. First impressions, that blended like a dream. Like y'all, it blended so well. I'm gonna take this brush out just to go over that contour, because when I tell y'all it's scaring me a little bit, it's scaring me. So that looks better. Okay, that kind of toned it down. We're gonna go in with a lighter Giorgio Armani. This one is in the shade 10, just to be a tad bit lighter. Yeah, so that Milk Makeup is in between this shade and the other shade, and I'm not mad at it. And now we're gonna go in with blush, y'all. So I got Rare Beauty blush right here. This is in the shade Joy. I got this from their masterclass when I went and sat down. She had it in her little goodie bag. So happy that I got this. I've never used their blush. I only used like one of their products y'all seen, and that was like the powder. So I got a blush. This color, not gonna hold y'all. It's scary. This is a scary color, but it's Joy. So, oh. Ooh, that might have been too much, but let's blend this out to see how it is on the face, because the pigment is there. Like it's showing up like a corally pinkish type. I don't know what it's showing up for y'all, but that's what it's giving me. Like a pastel type of pinkish, like a little bit of cool, but not too much, but still kind of warm, if you get what I'm saying. I don't know, I get what I'm saying. Okay, that blends out so cute. But I definitely put way too much on. But it's okay. We're gonna make it work. Blend it up if I need to. Y'all, pretty. Oh my gosh. This color is so pretty. Wow. That, yes. I'm ecstatic. That is a pretty color. Like a good like tone pink. I like that. So we're gonna go in and blend out this concealer. Make sure we keep it like directly up under the eye. Bring it up a little bit if we need to, and then spread it out. I gotta back up, y'all, because this little baby empty. So back up. That means y'all know I love this Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, but the skin is glowing, but ooh. All right, y'all, so that's done. I'm gonna go in, get out any creases that I have up under my under eye. All right, y'all, so I only use the setting powder. I don't even think I ever used the setting powder since I got it, but I got the Professional setting powder right here. This one is in the shade, I think, Translucent. I don't know, but we're gonna take it out and see. Okay. Packaging, cute. I love that. That is very pretty. It doesn't say whether or not it's translucent, y'all, so maybe it is, but this is so cute. Gotta get my little puffer, press in back of my hand, and y'all, instantly blurred. It took everything. It blurred and mattified literally basically my whole face. So yeah, never really had that happen. Like the Huda Beauty do it as well, don't get me wrong, but this like sucked everything in. Like I don't have to set if I don't want to. We're just gonna go in and go straight to the contour / bronzer. So I have this NYX one, y'all, the Buttermilk bronzer. Now y'all know I have mixed feelings about this, but we're gonna give her another try. I don't know. This is what it looks like, y'all. I just still feel like it's gonna pull up red. So let's see exactly. Okay, that's not bad. So we might still use this. It's not bad. We might still use her. Don't quote me on that though. All right, we're gonna go in with blush. So I have the Sephora Collection blush right here, y'all. This one is 27, which is also in the shade Charmed. Used this a couple of times, but I thought that this right here would be a perfect topper for this because it's so similar in shade. This one just a little bit more coral than this. It's more pinky-ish, but I feel like this is a perfect shade for when it comes to the blush for that. So we're gonna use her. Yeah, that is so pretty, y'all. Yeah, that is so pretty. I don't know if I'm impressed with like the combination or like the Rare Beauty blush. Like, I don't know, y'all, but this color on dark skin, let me add that in there on dark skin. Yes, we got 3 more products from Sephora that I want to try tonight, y'all. So we're gonna go in and try this highlighter right quick. Now this highlighter is from IN Beauty. I think that's what it's from, y'all. Never heard of this brand. I think it's on the up and coming, but this is their highlighter gel cream. Y'all, this is what it is. This is a tube. And yeah, so I'll put some on the back of my, it's broke. I knew it was broke. I said it was broke in the last video. We still have a little bit of something, so maybe use my hand and just tap. Okay. And just to give it that sheen. Yeah, because on this side you have a little bit, but like on this side it's very there. I can also not be putting enough product on, y'all. I don't know, but we're gonna put some up here in the brow bone, just to have that side profile. It's one of those weird products, y'all. I probably gotta like look and see how to use it, but I'm gonna put it everywhere like I normally would a highlight, just to give a glimpse of the potential that it has. All right, so we're gonna go in with mascara. This is the Sephora Collection Size Up mascara. I got a lot of mascaras in the baskets actually, y'all, so this is what it looks like. Pull it out. Okay, spiky. So this is a volumizing mascara. So okay, let's see. Okay, so first impressions, it does show up. It actually does look good, y'all. I want to try my top lashes, but I got extensions on that are falling off slowly, but I do want to try on my top lashes, so we're gonna give her a go again at a later date. All right, so I'm gonna line my lips, y'all, with MAC Chestnut. Y'all know my go-to. And then the last thing I have, y'all, is from Glossier. Is it upside down? No, this is from Glossier, y'all. This is an Ultra Lip Hydrating Shining in color. It's in the color Villa. And it's so pretty, y'all. Like, this is a pretty color. I like the idea, I like the packaging, I like the logo right there. So let's see. That is a cute shade actually. Now I thought it was supposed to be a lipstick, but it's not, so that's my fault, but it's still cute. Like, yeah. All right, everyone, that is it for today's video. There was literally not a single product that I did not like. Like, everything worked out and looked good. So I still have my mixed feelings about the NYX contour, of course, but I pair it with the Milk Makeup contour cream, it still looks good, y'all. So I don't know, we're gonna see. But y'all let me know in the comments what you all think. I literally enjoyed every single last product. The eyes are cute, everything is cute, y'all. Y'all should let me know what y'all think down below. But once again, thank you everyone for watching this video. Let me know what product you thinking about trying that I've showed in this video, or the product that you want to try that I showed in this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, y'all. We are almost at 1K. We are really 110 away. So for your girl birthday, which is in a month, subscribe to the channel and give me to 1K, y'all. But thank you so much for everyone who supported me, who joined the family, and who really enjoy my videos. It means so much to me that I am building a community. It means so much to me that I am building a community, and I'm so grateful for everyone who is tuning in, subscribing, liking, commenting, etc. But anyways, y'all, I'm gonna stop rambling because I will get carried away. But I will see y'all Sunday for a new video. A hint, it might be a clothing video. We'll see. But anyways, y'all, see y'all Sunday for another video. Bye.